What are 3 reasons you need to initiate your estate planning right now? Hey there, my name is Ron Payne, and I'm an estate planning and probate attorney here in Kernersville, North Carolina. We serve the Piedmont Triad, and it's so important to have an estate plan. And I wanted to give you 3 reasons that you need to stop delaying and get that estate plan done ASAP. First, you really want to secure your loved one's future. It's not just about managing assets for your estate plan. It's about making sure that those assets are managed in such a way that it meets your family's needs, not just for the day after you're gone, but for the next 3, 5, 10 years after you're gone. Without a proper plan, your family is left scrounging around with banks, fighting with insurance companies, trying to get a hold of everybody, and generally it can be a hot mess. They might face financial hardship, legal complications, and family discord because of the unknown. By planning now, you make sure that your assets are managed and distributed according to your wishes. And that gives not only you, but they peace of mind and financial stability to your family and your loved ones. Secondly, probate estates that don't have an estate plan, in other words, they're intestate, they don't have a will, then those estates generally take even longer than probate itself takes. With a clear will, we can help expedite the process because we're not having to figure out as much. Maybe we have all the assets gathered, we know what we're facing. And you can help your heirs avoid time and expense associated with probate, especially by a well-planned estate plan. And a lot of times we can avoid a lot of, if not all of probate by proper planning techniques such as living trust, payable on death accounts, updating your beneficiaries, joint ownership of various assets like a house, like a car, etc. Helping provide for a smooth transition for those assets can help preserve the value and maximize what gets past your beneficiaries and minimizing your probate costs, your legal costs, and all of those sorts of things. Lastly, it's not just about planning for our demise. We're all going to pass away, but it's also helping plan for that transition, not just for when you're gone, but for that transition between when you're healthy and then during the time of uncertainty before you pass. Making sure that you've got, as part of your estate plan, a healthcare power of attorney so that we know not only who you want to make healthcare decisions if you cannot, but what those decisions are and what the parameters for what your wishes are when you're not able to communicate those to us. I know that having these conversations with your parents, with your children, it's not a fun topic, but it's so important to take a few minutes and just give your family the plan. This is what I want. These are my wishes. Especially if you have complications coming up, especially if your health isn't what it used to be, making sure that your family knows what your wishes are and who's going to take care of these things. Not only who's going to make your healthcare decisions, but who's going to pay your bills, who's going to make your financial decisions. It's not easy for a spouse to bear the burden of these decisions. So if your children are adults, it's a great time for them to be involved in this plan so that not only can your spouse be taken care of, but also that your children can help make sure that their parents are both taken care of to make sure that your wishes are respected, the bills are taken care of, and that takes stress off of the plate of your loved ones. Estate planning is a proactive step that you can use to safeguard your assets and secure your loved one's future. By addressing it now, you're going to minimize probate, you're going to minimize expense, you're going to ensure your wishes are followed and get peace of mind for both yourself and your family. Our goal at Payne Law is to help families navigate life's important decisions. And I can't think of a more important conversation to have than what should happen if you're no longer going to be here with us. Help us plan your estate today. Don't wait any longer. You don't want to wait until it's too late. It's so expensive, it's so difficult, and it's so hard if you're facing a difficult decision to do this in that rush, in that spur of the moment. Do it today while things are stabled. And if that's something that the team at Payne Law can help you with, give us a call, 336-281-6928, or reach out to us on the web at applepaynelaw.com. We'd love to be of help. You can also find more legal tips on our website at applepaynelaw.com or on our YouTube channel. Like and subscribe for more helpful tips. And until next time, stay safe, take care, get that plan done, and have a great day.